Good morning, afternoon, evening. I'm here today. I'm actually done my fast and I'm about to eat some yummy, I would call it num nums. So yeah, here I am. Another good tip is to start a wood pile. And this particle board is really good to start fires. So if you have a little area with a tarp that you can put the wood under to keep it dry, that's gonna really help you, especially when it comes to keeping your fire going. Bunch of tree branches and stuff out of the woods. Don't try to stuff it all into the fireplace because it's not going to look very good. You gotta break it up into tiny little pieces. Okay. Put them into a bundle like this. Bundle them up. It's easier to put them in the fire. Okay, another really good tip is to have a bin of mulch. This is dried up stuff that I rake up every single day. I have a pile of it over there, you see, and I cover it with a blanket and I stuff my bin full of it so I can have a good fire starter for when I come out in the tent and it's raining. I pulled out a full weeds. Okay, you see here, when you build a fireplace, it's best to have a really good base so that it doesn't roll down the hill on you. And it's really good to have some holes in the top so you can add your wood and keep it going. And this fire will go for you all night long if you keep it with a nice coal base. You want red embers and you want lots of ashes to cover the embers. So the more little pieces that you put in there, the better. And you're also going to want 2 really good teapots to boil water in. I use one for my coffee, and the other one, I have a big pot to wash my laundry and my dishes, and also this one just in case a little bit of water for some dishes or to wash my face. Get your water boiling. You're going to want 2 bins. Excuse me. One to wash your laundry in, the other one to keep clean. You guys are going to want to have a rack of some kind that you can put next to the fire, dry your laundry, your dishcloths, and also right next to your fire you want to have an extra grill to keep things warm. Okay, something that's going to really support all the weight that you're going to put on it, because in this case I've made it into a table also. And these pallets here you can use for shelving. Okay? Water in to wash your body in, because I will show you how to set up a shower so that you can. And this is where I shower. La da la. Okay. Keep yourself clean while you're living on the land. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your life better on the land. Take my tips and tricks and check out my other projects. Enjoy your day today. I'm going to enjoy a beef hot dog. My bike for 2 hours just to get to a store. God bless you. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little tip and trick about if you injure yourself. I put a little bit of paper on there because I couldn't find a band-aid. And then you take some Scotch tape and you wrap it right around your finger. It actually works really well.